Hello everyone, my name is Raghavendra Pratap Singh. Welcome to Square Root Academy. Today's topic is elementary matrices. Topic from linear algebra, lecture number 13.0. In previous class, we have already seen the definition of elementary matrix. Today we are going to see some properties of elementary matrices. Before going to the next questions, I just want to correct one mistake that I did in previous class. In previous class, I hope you remember this question. We were trying to find out the how many possibilities of elementary matrices of 2 cross 2 order, right? So these were the 5 possibilities that we got it. But in case of E4, here we did one mistake. If you apply R2 changes to R2 plus K times R1, then basically you will get K comma 1, second row K1, not 1K. So you can correct it, you will get K1. So this is the mistake. Okay, now come to the next question. Next question is sum of two elementary matrices will be elementary matrix or not, right? So suppose I have any elementary matrix E1, another elementary matrix E2, and I am adding both elementary matrices. Will it be again elementary matrix or not? So answer for this question is false. The answer of this question is false, and you can cross verify. I'm not going to explain why, because these are the 5 possibilities in front of you of 2 cross 2 matrices, right? And if you add any two matrix, you are not going to get the again elementary matrix. So you can cross verify. Come to the next question. You can say that it is a question or a statement or result, but it is really interesting. Relation between a elementary row operation and elementary matrix corresponding to that elementary row operation. एक बार मैं हिंदी में बता देता हूँ. हम एक ऐसा रिलेशन फाइंड आउट करने जा रहे हैं किसके किसके बीच में. एक एलिमेंट्री रो ऑपरेशन है हमारे पास, और अगर उस एलिमेंट्री रो ऑपरेशन को हम आइडेंटिटी मैट्रिक्स पर लगाते हैं तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग हमें एक एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स मिलेगी. तो उस एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स और एलिमेंट्री रो ऑपरेशन के बीच में क्या रिलेशन है, वो रिलेशन हम देखेंगे एक एग्जांपल की हेल्प से. सो फॉर एग्जांपल, suppose I have a matrix A of 2 cross 2 order, and suppose the matrix is 1 2 4 3. Over this matrix, suppose I am applying one elementary operation. You can apply any elementary operation, right? So suppose I am applying R1 changes to R1 plus R2. What matrix you will get? If R1 changes to R1 plus R2, then 4 plus 1 you will get 5, 3 plus 2 you will get 5, and second row will be as it is 4 3, and I'm calling this matrix B. Now my next question is there any other way to get matrix B from the matrix A without applying this elementary operation? So answer is yes. एक बार हिंदी में बता देता हूँ क्या क्वेश्चन है कि हमारे पास एक मैट्रिक्स ए थी, इस ए मैट्रिक्स पर मैंने एक एलिमेंट्री ऑपरेशन लगाया और मुझे बी मैट्रिक्स मिल गई. फिर मेरा क्वेश्चन ये है कि क्या इस बी मैट्रिक्स को किसी और तरीके से भी पाया जा सकता है. किस मैट्रिक्स की हेल्प से? ए मैट्रिक्स की हेल्प से, जबकि हम रो ऑपरेशन ये ना लगाएं. यस, यू कैन गेट इट दिस मैट्रिक्स बी फ्रॉम ए. हाउ? यू कैन चेक आउट. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, you have to consider the identity matrix I 1 0 0 1. Over this identity matrix you apply the same elementary operation. R1 changes to R1 plus R2. What you will get? You will get 1 1 0 1. And I know that if on identity matrix I am performing one single elementary operation, then corresponding to that operation I will get one elementary matrix. So I am calling it, suppose it is capital E. Okay. Now how I can get this B matrix with the help of A without applying this elementary operation? If you calculate E A, right, क्या कर रहा हूं मैं? E मैट्रिक्स को A से प्री मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं. ई मैट्रिक्स को ए से प्री मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं, तो ऑर्डर मैटर करेगा. आप पोस्ट मल्टीप्लाई मत करना, आंसर सही नहीं आएगा, वो हम देखेंगे बाद में, ठीक है. तो प्री मल्टीप्लाई करना है. तो आप देखो एक बार मल्टीप्लाई करके 1 1 0 1. हियर इट इज एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स, एंड व्हाट इज द मैट्रिक्स ए इटसेल्फ, दैट इज 1 2 4 3. इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई, व्हाट यू विल गेट? एक्चुअली you can check out. 1 1 4 you will get 5, 2 plus 3 you will get 5, 0 here you will get 4, and it will be 3, which is nothing but the matrix B itself, right? So I hope you got the relation between an elementary row operation and elementary matrix corresponding to that elementary row operation, right? Basically what I'm trying to say, suppose I have an elementary operation E, and that elementary operation E I am applying over identity matrix corresponding to that elementary matrix. Suppose I will get, so corresponding to that elementary operation, suppose I will get elementary matrix capital E, and if you pre-multiply, okay, if you pre-multiply this capital E matrix with A matrix, then it will be same as if you apply the elementary operation E on A, right? You can cross verify. So here it is the statement for the same thing that I explained, right? The statement says if E be an elementary row operation and capital E be the M cross M elementary matrix such that when you are applying elementary row operation on identity matrix, then you are getting this capital E. Then for any M cross N matrix A, if you apply E on A, it will be same as you just pre-multiply capital E matrix with A, and try to prove this result. Take it as a homework, try to prove. So finally what we can say, that if we are applying a elementary row operation E on A to get matrix B, it means that we are pre-multiplying a elementary matrix E with A, where E is an elementary matrix which is obtained by applying the same elementary row operation E on identity matrix. एक बार हिंदी में बता देता हूं कि अगर हमारे पास कोई मैट्रिक्स ए है, ए से हमें अगर बी को पाना है, ठीक है, तो यहां पर दो तरीके हैं कि ए से अगर आपको बी को पाना है with the help of elementary row operations, so you can apply one elementary operation E on A and you will get matrix B. But there is another way, एक दूसरा भी तरीका है कि ए मैट्रिक्स से बी को आप कैसे पा सकते हो कि एलिमेंट्री ई ऑपरेशन को आप आइडेंटिटी पर लगाओ और उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग कोई ना कोई आपको एक एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स मिलेगी, फिर उस एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स ई को ए से मल्टीप्लाई कर दो तो आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, बी मिल जाएगा, राइट? नाउ हियर आई एम गिविंग सम एक्सरसाइजेस दैट यू कैन क्रॉस वेरीफाई. As I said, if you pre-multiply with A this identity elementary matrix, then you will get B. Now the exercise, what happen if you multiply this elementary matrix E post, okay, मतलब आप राइट साइड से एलिमेंट्री मैट्रिक्स को अगर मल्टीप्लाई करते हो तो क्या आपको B मिलेगी? दिस इज माय क्वेश्चन. इज इट ट्रू और फॉल्स? इफ इट इज ट्रू then okay, if it is not true then find out when it is going to be true, when it will be true. So I am giving you hint, you can think about column elementary operations. Okay, you will get the answer. So this is the thing that I want to explain in today's class. So thanks for watching. If you really like this video, please like it, subscribe my channel and share it with your all friends. So thank you all.